Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we use black color. The next one is yellow color. Kids, now we use red color. The next one is blue color. Now we use blue color. And the next one is green color. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we draw the letter of A and now we use black color. A for apple, A for ant. Now we use black color. A for ant. The next one is B. We again use black color. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we draw the letter of E. E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw the letter of F. And the next one is G. G for gorilla, G for goat. Now we draw the letter of H and now we use yellow color. Now we use yellow color and draw the letter of H. H for hand. And the next one is I. Now we draw the letter of I. I for ice cream. The next one is J. Kids, now we draw J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw the letter of L. L for lemon. The next one is M. M for mango. We again use yellow color and now we draw N. N for nest. Kids, now we use red color and draw O. Now we use red color. The letter of O. O for orange. Now we draw the letter of O. O for ox. And the next one is P. P for parrot. Kids, now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose. R for rice. Kids, we again use red color and now we draw S. S for snake. The next one is T. T for tiger. We again use red color and now we draw U. U for umbrella. Kids, now we use blue color and draw V. Now we draw V. V for van. And the next one is W. W for wolf. The next one is X. X for X-ray. Now we draw Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.